What's up, DGens? DGen Ninja back here today again with another episode of Crypto Talk. How are you all? Today we're going to dig into Sphere Finance. It's a fairly recent protocol that has been launched on the Polygon network. Now, this protocol is basically like an ETF of crypto. So they invest in a basket of different blockchain tokens and they run their own hedge fund. But it's sort of like a crypto ETF, which isn't like properly regulated, like a DeFi version of S&P 500 of crypto. So it runs on the Polygon network. And this is the current tokenomics. They've got a treasury balance of 9.39 million. Market cap still fairly low, just under 57 million. Their projected annual returns is 99.9,000%, and there is a total of almost 12,000 wallets that are using Sphere Finance at the moment. So this is the website, spherefinance.store. Now to get into the app, into the protocol, you click enter dashboard on the top right and it'll bring you to this web page here. So over here we can see the Sphere coin, which is investing in protocol itself. So when you're buying Sphere, you're actually investing in their crypto ETF fund. So the advantage of that is it gives you exposure to a basket of different crypto in their portfolio. They're constantly rebalancing it. So if you're an investor that's sort of long term and you like a diversified approach, this might be the thing for you. If you don't really know technical analysis or how to pick cryptos that are winners. So that's how it goes. So currently the return on investment, your ROI, daily ROI is close to 2%. So that's pretty high. You're earning 2% a day roughly on this token. Just to cover the tokenomics side of it, when you're buying it, there's a small tax of 13%. And then when you sell it, kind of like how you sell ETF shares, there's a 20% tax. So that's an incentive to deter people from selling out. So out of that 20% sell tax, 18% is returned to the protocol and 2% is burnt every time someone sells Sphere. So when Sphere coin is sold, every time it's sold, there's a 2% burn, meaning that the overall supply of Sphere will decrease every time someone trades Sphere. So that's good for the token price, because if the total supply is down, that means that the number of coins in circulation is less than before, and that will push up the price of the token or coin. So as you can see here, this is the rough chart of Sphere, currently trading in just under 3 cents. As you can see, I will kind of backtrack it out to say maybe like a daily chart or something, just so we get a good idea of how the trend is. So as you can see, back over here to the left of the screen, you see the bottom price around sort of like 2 cents, went all the way up to 3.35 cents, 3.33 cents, and then it's coming back down here. This is just a retracement wave. So when a coin is released into the market, it'll usually pump a lot, just because of the pre-float hype and all that. And then you'll get whales selling out just to take the initial profits. What I see is it's going to be a next leg up, possibly. Some support or liquidity down here forming around the 2 cents mark. So it might pay to just set a price alert around 2 cents. Just buy a small holding, just in case it does tank more, but it will be a good, nice entry point to start building a position into Sphere Finance. So how do you use this protocol? Well, pretty easy. On the top right hand corner, you connect your DeFi wallet. In most cases, The most common one is MetaMask. Polygon network, when you connect to this protocol, because it uses Polygon. So how do you get Sphere? Well, there's a number of ways you can do it. You can buy Sphere by pushing on this link here, and it will go to Quickswap, which you can also log in your MetaMask to on the top right here. And this is basically a DEX where you can swap token to token. So you, in this case, you can swap from Matic to Sphere. The current interest exchange rate, it's about 1 Matic to 54.3 to Sphere, and then you pay a small swap fee every time you swap. And the people in the liquidity pool that provide liquidity earn a percentage of that cut. So that's how you swap tokens, and then you can swap. You can use different tokens like Aave or whatever, or even like stable coins, USDT, and it will let you know how much it is. So 1 USDT is about 33.247 Sphere. Now, you can also provide liquidity to Quickswap by doing LP mining or dual mining, or you can participate in a liquidity pool. So click on pool, and you can add liquidity. So when you click on add liquidity, you can add 2 different coins in 50-50 ratio to the network, and every time someone uses those 2 coins to swap, then you earn a cut of the swap fees as a total percentage out of that pool. So farms is more like your LP mining. So you've got like Quick and DQuick. So Quick coin is basically the token of the Quickswap DEX, and DQuick is a locked form of Quick. So basically, DQuick is a staked form of Quick that is locked into the Quickswap chain, and basically you can do a yield farm with that swap as well and earn an APY of about close to 43% on your money a year. So that's how you swap to Sphere token. Now, to add Sphere token, you click onto the Polygon scan address. Here is the smart contract address here. You click copy paste. Then you go back to your MetaMask, click onto your Chrome extension browser, click on your MetaMask, scroll down, click on import tokens, copy paste what you just copied there. It should be Sphere token, and you check the legitimacy of the smart contract here on Polyscan. It's legit. Then you click on add custom token, and it will import tokens, and that will add Sphere to your MetaMask under Polygon network. So if I scroll down here on my MetaMask, it should show you Sphere. So there you go. That's how you add token to your MetaMask DeFi wallet. And here on Polyscan, you can see the smart contracts and the interactions on the open source network. You can see how many people have done swaps and the amount of the swap in terms of in Matic terms. So these are the DeFi volumes that are going through every day, every minute. There's people staking, doing yield farming on here. So you can see that even in the last 5 minutes, there's a couple big transactions here. Big whales playing. It's not little retail traders or anything. It's big volumes. So that gives me confidence in the network. So over here, Dragon's Lair is LP mining liquidity pool for the stable pair of Quick, and you can participate in that to do your yield farms. There's hardly any impermanent loss because it's Quick to DQuick. So basically it's about 1 to 1.3 exchange rate, and it's pretty much pegged. So you're not going to run into much risk of impermanent loss. As you can see, Sphere has bottomed out around 2 cents. It's coming up towards 3 cents. This is not financial advice, but just due to my technical analysis, on the next retest around below 2.5 cents or possibly 2 cents this weekend, it'll be wise to pick up a bag of Sphere. So that's all from me in terms of technical analysis. And this is, so yeah, basically, good risk to reward. Market cap still low, 57 million. Get in early while you can, and it will suit you if you are not more of a diversified long-term investor that don't want to pick coins. Really suits the busy person that's sort of working 9 to 5, or a tradie that's working during the week and you can't really keep an eye on your crypto markets. This is probably a good option for you. So that's all from me, DJ Ninja. I hope that has been helpful for you as an introduction to Sphere Finance. Like, share, and subscribe. We are on multiple social media platforms. Just search hashtag DJ Ninja or hashtag Yield Farming Academy. So we're on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter as well. So please subscribe. I hope you found this information helpful. May Satoshi be with you, and I'll see you in the next episode. Adios.